Hi guys, I'm going to be making some slime, and I already tried this method. So before I did this, so I don't want it to be a fail. So yeah, so I'm going to be making some slime with some all-purpose flour. You can use your flour, dish detergent. So yeah, so I'm going to get my third measuring cup.
What are you making?
Slime. And this is my stepsister Desiree.
My name is Desiree. Desiree Nicole Whitby. Wait, what? Your name is? Desiree Nicole Whitby. Yes, you got some slime for me.
I'll give it to him.
I want some. What's this?
Cornbread.
Cornbread. Mess it up.
So guys, I got my stepbrother here too. So I'm going to put... Stop!
It's a bubble.
I put a lot because
Yeah, you gotta get the bubble. It's fine.
I think I overdid with the dish soap. I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to mix. And it's going to be showing out too. So like...
What is that? Powder?
Flour.
I'm not going to see that. You gotta put it in the freezer.
No, I don't.
Then you did that last time. You did that last time. Why you can't do it now?
Because this one gonna be better than that one.
Oh, you made some slime. You made some play That's how I get better ice cream.
So guys, I would say this will be like a Play-Doh, ooey,
Put it in the freezer.
slime. So yeah.
Wait.
I'm gonna use some more dish soap.
Let me see that. Can I see that? Put it in the freezer. No, don't put it in there. No, because I want it to get cold for you. No. Okay. It's going to get cold, okay? I get you one.
Don't put it in the freezer.
Because that's regular one. No. Why don't put it in the freezer? Because that's regular one. Why don't put it in the freezer? Because that's regular. Why? No, here.
So yeah.
Why don't put it in touch my
There's-
sock? Why don't put it in
Stop
the freezer?
asking me that.
I just asked you because why not to put it?
My background is really annoying.
Wait, it smells like a hamburger. It smells so sticky. Stop. I'm thinking my sister juice.
So
Hey, tell them stop going in the refrigerator.
stop going in the refrigerator. So I really
But y'all keep going in the refrigerator.
am the slime. It's really messy though. Like it's getting everywhere, but I will clean up my mess. But yeah. It is really messy right now. So this is how it is. Mine is yellow because I use green soap. It's yellow, but it kind of looks green. So yeah, I'm going to put that right there and I'm going to have to mix. Stop it, y'all. I'm going to give you some. Desiree, give him back his stuff.
This is not slime. Yes, it is. Ain't that slime? But slime is like that.
There's many different kinds of slimes.
This slime is in here.
It's,
I want some slime.
it's Play-Doh slime, country slime. I said country.
So
I
this
meant
should
crunchy.
See, it's. I put it in. That's one.
So this is my other stepbrother. I meant my stepbrother. His name is Courtney too. My name is Courtney. His name Courtney. It's weird. His daddy named Courtney. He a junior.
And then that's the burger.
Oh.
And then that's the bread.
So yeah. So I just gotta keep.
Oh no! Pick it up then.
I'ma tell Devon on you.
Oh, this ice. Can't put it back on there.
My brother is so crazy.
Yeah, he big and strong. So that
He talk about my other brother.
he dropped it after. That's why you hugging him.
So yeah, guys. So
See if it's ready.
I'm just gonna mix it up.
I can't feel it.
It's getting really messy
Just
though.
stop coming by me.
Yeah, I just gotta do this with it. So guys, and that's how you make dish up slime. You could really use any dish up though. Bye
I'm about to
guys.
eat it.
Wait, but hold on, wait. I ain't gonna leave that.
Oh, you nasty. He eating the slime. I want that slime.
Bye guys.
But I don't